Hello everyone, I am Avinash Sai. I am a bookstagrammer and avid book reader who has read over 280 non-fiction books so far. In this video, I want to talk about my latest book release. Negative is the new positive. What is it about and why you should read it? In 21st century, we are so obsessed with the idea of positivity. More than ever today, we are so bombarded with the positivity advice. If you scroll on social media, if you will find tons of posts that say be positive and how positive thinking can help you achieve what you want. There are thousands of self-help books that say positive thinking will change your life. The idea of positivity is so prevalent in our society that it even spread to our academia, in our colleges and our schools. There are courses that entirely speak about developing positive attitude and how one can think positively. Coaches in social media and YouTube, they will say that the human default state is to be happy and we can revoke it by thinking positively. But this positivity obsession does more harm than good. If you think, the person who wants to think positively all the time cannot embrace his negative emotions, and he will be emotionally exposed when difficult times arise, and he will be more anxious, he will be more sad, and he can be depressed as well. Positive worldview is good, but it should not be at the expense of ignoring your negative thoughts and negative emotions. The emotion that you try to suppress, it will come back and it will cause more trouble than you think. But it is a high time we have to realize that emotions are there for a reason, especially the negative ones. If you embrace them and accept them and try to learn from them, you can build resilience, and it will bring you closer to your true self. In this book, I talked about how positivity has become a business and how positivity obsession can ruin your mental health, and also talked about why meaning is more important than happiness. And there is an entire chapter that is dedicated to looking at unwanted things in a different and refreshing way. Unwanted things, I mean regrets, mistakes, and negative experiences. In the part 2 of the book, I talked about laws that make us whole and how intentionally thinking negatively can serve a purpose, and how it is beneficial to make us more realistic and grounded in life. And there is part 3, and I have given unconventional advice to be uniquely who you are and reject what society tells you to do. If I have to summarize this book into few sentences, those are these: it's okay to be who you are. You might experience negative thoughts and negative feelings and negative emotions, but you don't have to push yourself to think positively all the time. Instead, you should be developing emotional competence, which this book helps you in that regard. And it's okay to be not perfect, and to be human is to be incomplete, and that's okay. If you have made it this far, consider subscribing to the channel. In the next video, I will be talking about positivity burnout. Thank you. Till then, see you.